Hello everyone and welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. It has been a long time since we've made anything with crushed glass. Well, today we have a project and we are making a vase with crushed glass. You can use it for any type of event or you can just use it for home decor. If you are new to our channel, we'd love to welcome you. We'd love to have you as part of the Elegance family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today, if you are interested in making this crushed glass home decor, just continue to keep watching. So today we are going to prep the glass. We are going to clean it, make sure that the surface is all clean and clear so that when we apply the Mod Podge, it will actually adhere to the vase. So we have applied 2 coats to this vase and we are letting it set aside for 24 hours to completely dry. Now we are going to place the bigger crushed glass onto the vase using a glue gun because the bigger glass, they are a lot heavier, so they're not going to stay in place. So we are going to have to glue them on, and once we glue them on, you don't have to worry about them falling off. They're permanent. But you can put some type of sealer on it if you choose to do so. Now we are about to put a glass cleaner on the vase because we have been touching the surface, and in touching that can become a little dull. So now we are applying the glass cleaner. You can apply whatever type of glass cleaner of your choice. So now we are at the fun part where you have to decorate it. So we are going to set some white roses inside of the vase for a home decor. So this does conclude our DIY for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.